Want to know about the AI video generator that just topped the leaderboards and beat both Google's VEO 3 and Hailuo O2? Yes, today, I will talk about a new AI video generator that can generate amazing AI videos from text prompts and turn any image into a video. You can even monetize on YouTube because YouTube won't demonetize high-quality AI videos this time. So, let's dive in. The AI video generation space just got completely shaken up. While everyone's been talking about Google's VEO 3 and Hailuo O2, there's a new player that's quietly climbed to the #1 spot on both text-to-video and image-to-video leaderboards. We're talking about Seedance 1.0 PRO, and what makes this tool absolutely game-changing is its ability to create multi-shot video sequences with perfect character consistency, all from a single prompt. Let me show you exactly how to access and use this powerful tool. The easiest way to get started is through ChatLLM by Abacus AI, which gives you access to Seedance Pro, VEO 3, Hailuo O2, and dozens of other AI generators all in one platform. I'll drop a link in the description. Once you are logged in, your interface will be like this. Here, at the top of the page, you will find various popular LLM modes. We don't need it at this moment. Here, at the bottom of the page, you will find options to create images, generate code, PowerPoint, and deep research. If you click on the More button, you will find a bunch of options. We have to select the Video Gen tool to generate videos. This is the video generation pop-up. At the top, you will find all the video generation models. On ChatLLM, you will get access to almost all the popular AI video generators like Kling, Hailuo, VEO, Luma, Runway, and more. I am selecting the Seedance Pro model. After selecting the video generator model, if you want to turn any image into a video, you have to click here and then upload the image. I will try it later. This time, I am skipping it. Now, we have to enter the text prompt here in this box. Let's start with a very basic prompt. I am entering. In a realistic style, a glass staircase spirals upward into a soft lavender sky. A barefoot model ascends step by step, tracking upward shot, following her graceful movement into the clouds. After entering the prompt, you can enhance the prompt using AI. Next, we have to set the aspect ratio. You will find a bunch of options. Select which one you need. After that, set the resolution between 480p and 1080p. Next, set the video duration. You can generate 5-second and 10-second long videos. After that, if you want to keep the camera fixed during the video generation, enable this option. And in the end, you can enter a fixed seed. Once everything is set, hit the generate button, and then wait for some time. I will fast forward the video. And here it is, the video is ready. Look at the quality of the video. The video is very consistent, and there is no morphing or glitch in the video. The scene tracking camera work is amazing. Most importantly, the prompt adherence is just amazing. Let's see what other video generators offer with the same prompt. I am generating the video using Hailuo O2. After entering the prompt, I will set all the settings similar to Seedance. Once done, hit the generate button. After waiting for some time, I got this result. The video quality is really good, but it's not even close to Seedance AI video generator's result, and it took longer than Seedance. Another important point is that Hailuo O2 can only generate a 5-second long video. Okay, now let's generate videos with the same prompt using VEO 3. After entering the prompt, set all other settings, and then hit the generate button. And here it is, the video clip is ready. Let's have a look at it. The video quality is good, but here you can see something unusual. I am really shocked by this result. Now all 3 results are in front of you. I think Seedance AI generates the best result. Okay, now let's try something completely different. Here's a more action-oriented prompt. A teenager sprints through a narrow alley, splashing through puddles as the camera follows low in front, then cuts to a smooth overhead shot as he slips around a corner but keeps running. After entering the prompt, set all other settings, and then hit the generate button. After waiting for some time, I got this video. The intensity and speed captured here are fantastic. You can feel the urgency in the movement, and those camera angle changes create genuine cinematic drama. The puddle splashing effects add realistic environmental interaction that many AI video generators struggle with. Alright, now let's try the image-to-video generator feature. Imagine I want to turn this image into a video. So, after coming to the video generation interface, I will select the video generation model and then upload the image. After uploading the image, we have to enter the text prompt. I am entering a ready one. Basically, type what kind of motion and camera work you want in the video. After entering the prompt, set all other settings and then hit the generate button. After waiting for some time, I got this result. This is really something incredible. It keeps our character very consistent while adding motion and camera work perfectly. The scene looks like a perfect cinematic shot. So, now you can create this kind of amazing video clip using Seedance. I generated videos using Hailuo O2 and VEO 3 using the same image and prompt with similar settings. And here are the results. This is the video generated with Hailuo O2. Now let's have a look at the VEO 3 generated video clip. In my personal opinion, in terms of realism and camera work, Seedance surpasses even the mighty VEO 3. Most importantly, Seedance costs fewer credits than Hailuo and VEO 3. After extensive testing, Seedance consistently delivers the best overall video quality with superior character consistency and multi-shot capabilities. The only area where VEO 3 might have an edge is audio generation, but for pure video quality, Seedance takes the crown. By the way, you can access all the video generator tools on the ChatLLM team through Abacus AI. You have to pay only $10 per month to access all the video generators along with all other tools. The real advantage of using the ChatLLM team is getting access to all these cutting-edge tools under one affordable subscription. Whether you're creating content for social media, prototyping film concepts, or just experimenting with AI video generation, this platform gives you everything you need. If you want to start creating professional quality AI videos today, check out the link in my description for exclusive access to the ChatLLM team. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience creating videos using Seedance AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.